In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to see your Trello notifications so you never miss an update on your boards, cards, or team activity again. If you use Trello for project management, team collaboration, or even personal task tracking, keeping up with notifications is essential. I'll walk you through the step-by-step process, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find and manage your notifications inside Trello. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy-to-follow Trello guides. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Trello.com. Log into your Trello account using your email and password if you're not already signed in. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main Trello workspace where you can see your boards. This is typically the Boards page, where all your personal and team boards are displayed. Make sure you're on this main dashboard area before moving to the next step. Now that you're on the Boards page, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a bell icon. This bell icon is where all your Trello notifications are stored. It's the central place where Trello alerts you about activity related to your boards and cards. Go ahead and click on the bell icon. As soon as you click it, a notifications panel will open. Inside this panel, you'll see a list of recent notifications. These may include updates such as someone commenting on a card you're watching, being added to a card, due date reminders, mentions from team members, or changes made to cards and boards you're involved in. The notifications are usually organized by time, so you can quickly see the most recent activity at the top. You can scroll through the list to review older notifications as well. If you click on any specific notification, Trello will automatically take you directly to the related card or board, so you can see the update in context. This makes it very easy to jump straight into the task or discussion without manually searching for it. If you notice a red badge or number on the bell icon, that indicates you have unread notifications. Once you open the notifications panel, Trello will typically mark them as read after you viewed them. Keeping an eye on this bell icon regularly ensures you stay up to date with everything happening across your projects. And that's it. That's how you quickly and easily see your Trello notifications. Just log in, go to your Boards page, click the bell icon in the top right corner, and review your notifications from the panel that appears. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Trello tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.